What's the main use for naphtha? A, okay. Then the last two. Okay, look at question number 9. The properties of alkane changes as the size of the molecule changes. How do the property change? So this one is recall work. Properties of a homologous series. As the number of carbon atoms per molecule increases, the size of the molecule increases. What happened to the boiling point? Increase or decrease? Increase, right? Okay, so let's mark out those that is correct. So this is correct. This is correct. Then this is wrong. Okay, because this states that it actually decreases. Then the next thing to take note, flammability. The bigger the molecule, is it easier to burn or is it more difficult to burn? More difficult to burn, right? So flammability cannot be increasing. So the one that decreases is correct. So actually by this already solved what? What's the answer? B law? Yeah, you really need to start picking out clues so that you start elimination. Okay, if not then you're going to end up with a lot of difficulty. Viscosity refers to the ability to flow less readily. So when the size of the molecule increases, you realize that the intermolecular forces is actually stronger, so it doesn't flow that readily. Okay, so these are things you just need to take note. Okay, question 10 I'm not going through. Question 10 answer is A, so this one is pretty straightforward. Question 11. Okay, I think the answer is already there, part inside the formula itself. You are told that you are given a repeat unit of a polypropene. So based on the formula, how many carbon and hydrogen atoms do you have? 3 carbon, how many hydrogen? 6, right? So your answer has to be either A or C already, what? And remember the name of the addition polymer derived from the name of the monomer. So realize that your monomer is a propene. Therefore, your answer can only be a propene. That's why the answer is C. Okay? So the most common mistake is actually A. A lot of you choose your C3H8. The thing is, it doesn't make sense, what? If you write this as C3H6, how can the name be propane? Yeah, so they should be linked together. Just be careful with this, okay? Alright, so this one done. Question 12, I'm not going through, so question 12 is also okay. Question 12, answer is actually D.